Hello, my lovely people. Just want to share with you. I'm getting ready for a loan closing. I have two tomorrow, so I just want to take you along with how to process, how I do everything. A lot of people do things differently. First, I print off my documents and I label my documents. Each document has the date on it, so I know which package go with the envelope. So that's how I get myself set up and everything like that. So I go ahead and print the label off and I put it on the envelope and I date it. You know what I'm saying? So I know, especially if you start getting busy, you have multiple signings and stuff like that, you want to keep yourself as organized as possible. And please, once you print those documents off, make sure you're printing off the correct borrower set of documents. You never want to think you download the correct file and it's not. So just save yourself time and headache and wasted paper. Just check the name. So like I said, so I always print off the set that goes back to the hiring company first, just to make sure, just in case you have any technical issues. Trust me, I've had this before. That's why I tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, print that copy off first, print that set off first, and then worry about the borrower's copies. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing now. Make sure they're reading instructions. Always read the instructions. I don't care how many closes you done, read the instructions. Things change all the time. And if you don't do this type of work for a living, like, you know, loan officer or loan processor or title officer, things change. And, you know, we're in the notaries. So here they go. I just printed off all these documents. They're complete, ready to go for tomorrow. I have the label covered for security reasons. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm getting ready. Everything is done. Like, everything is done. Everything is complete. I printed out both my sets. Now I'm about to scan me some receipts for my Fetch rewards and get ready for my Sandcastle